I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your PNC transactions, enabling notifications is a great way to do it. Here is how to set it up. Step 1. Log into your PNC account. Start by visiting the PNC website or opening the PNC mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings or Account Settings option, usually located in the menu. This is where you can manage your notification preferences. Step 3. Select Notification Preferences. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshr.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enable Transaction Notifications. Find the option for transaction notifications and toggle it on. You may have choices for different types of transactions, such as deposits or withdrawals. Step 5. Save your changes. After enabling the notifications, make sure to save your changes. You may see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. Remember to check your spam folder if you don't see notifications coming through after a few days. Happy banking!